Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Miaowoof Popsicle 10 cavity molds and 3 things you need to know about this one. Number 1, it is a 10 cavity mold, so you can do a pretty good sized batch of popsicles with this one. You can even do one row one color and one row the other, or flavor, or whatever you want to do. So you don't have to dedicate the whole thing to one batch. Thing number 2, you can either use reusable sticks like you see there on the right, the little white ones, or if you want to do the regular stick, then there's a red lid off to your left that will help hold the sticks in position. Now there are some instructions in the manual that will tell you that you've got to have this in the freezer for about an hour before it starts getting kind of slushy, I think is what they're going for, and then put the sticks in. I think that's mainly if you're doing the popsicles, but of course when you've got the lid that helps hold them, I don't know it's much of a deal. But again, you're going to need to kind of find some of this on your own. There is a book of recipes that come with this, and this is thing number 3. There's a set of recipes that comes with it. You can also create your own, or you can find some on the internet that are just kind of a generic popsicle that you can first try. Ones that are just lemon juice diluted with some water. You can get different kind of fruit juices. There's all things that you can try with this one. So whether it's for the little kids or for the big kids, this is something you'll very quickly start to come out with. This is going to be a way to be a little more flexible, and you don't have to worry about, well, the kids wanted grape and I got lemon, and you just make another batch. It's not a big deal. Saves a lot of trips to the grocery store. So take a look at this one, and I think you're going to like what you see, and think about getting one today, even if it is for yourself.